Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Karibu sana, it's been a while. Thank you for clicking. Today we are going to cook a simple egg fried rice. I had leftover rice and I didn't know what to cook for lunch. So I decided to fry it in some eggs and tomatoes and onions. Just 3 ingredients. You just need 3 ingredients to fry your rice and it's ready to eat. In a pan, put your some oil and 2 eggs. I use 2 eggs. Cook them for like 1 minute. Set aside. Then add in your onions. I use 2 small onions. Dice them in small sizes. Then let them cook through just for a few minutes. I didn't want my onions to cook, to brown, just a few minutes for them to saute, like sauteing onions, yeah. Then added some salt. Mix together with the egg. Fried for an extra 1 minute or two. In this recipe, I didn't want to use a lot of spices. Actually, I didn't use any spice at all. Added in 2 tomatoes, 2 small-sized tomatoes. I diced them in cubes, very small size, so that they cook through within a minute or two. Mix together. Guys, we are almost at 1K subscribers. Thank you very much for the people who've been watching my channel. Yeah, asante sana from wherever you are. Thank you very much. We are almost there. I know we will be there soon. After my onions and my tomatoes and eggs were ready, I added in 1 cup of rice. I just used 1 cup of rice. I didn't want to use a lot of rice. Then I mixed it up. I used short grain rice. I just parboiled my rice. This rice is rice left from overnight food that we ate. I'm just showing you a way of just warming the rice. Instead of eating the rice white and boring, you just can mix it up like this with some few ingredients and it's ready to be eaten. You can eat it as it is, or if you have leftover vegetables, or you can make some. If you have leftover beef or any meat stir fry, you can add some. For me, I didn't have any in the house, so this is what I had for lunch. And it was very, 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 very yummy. Very yummy. Kindly subscribe, guys. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.